Yeah, well that happens from time to time. I was booked on the 240 ferry to Siquijor, which is another island, not far from Bohol. I think it's about 2 hours on the ferry again I'm going to have to do. So I'm sitting here and you wait and you hear the loudspeaker and all of a sudden it says ferry to Siquijor 240 is cancelled. That's all you hear. Something happened to it, or it's mechanical failure or whatever. So everybody has to get up and go and re-line up again and get their ticket changed to the 320 ferry to Siquijor. So that's what I've done, and that little process takes about 40 minutes here. Look, nothing happens quickly here with the checking in and just the running of everything. Terminals, the ferry, it's not ideal, but so that puts me an hour late. So that's what's happened. The hotels are good. The efficiency, I'm staying in good hotels though, so the staff levels have been good, very high quality, magnificently friendly. But when you go to the public areas like the ferry terminal here, then I think the efficiencies drop away a lot. You can tell the staff training that they're not trained efficiently to do the jobs quickly. So anyway, I'm not really looking forward to another 2 hours on a ferry going across to another island, but that's what the Philippines is. You either take the planes to the bigger islands or you've got to take ferries everywhere. So I'm on the ferry now. It's been an hour and a half delays, and one of the other problems you can do in the Philippines is you can waste a day very quickly. If you're looking for ferry timetables and that, you can waste a day quickly. So I've just got on the ferry, and this is what tourist class looks like. So I came across on cattle class to the island before, which was much different to this. This is much better, much more comfortable. Yeah, so we all arrive on Ocean Jet 888, and the bags get dropped off at the end of the platform there, and everybody's trying to get their luggage. It's not easy getting your luggage. Everybody's fighting to find their bags. Anyway, we're in Siquijor now. So now I've got to try and get to the hotel. And it'll have to be probably a tuk-tuk or some taxi or something. Now the next load of people are coming in to get onto that boat, so we get off, they get on. Right, now I've got to look to see what hotel I've got to go to. Yes, I've just checked into Infinity Sands Resort Hotel here. 2-story, older style. Up just one staircase, had to go to that room up there. Took 400 pesos from the ferry terminal. Looks like you've got a restaurant and bar right next door. It's one of the reasons why I booked it on Agoda, because it said it was very centrally located, close to everything. Okay, the rooms are old. I'll show you the room later, but it's old, and the price was pretty good, and I don't want to be too far out of the town all the time. But I've got to get something to eat here. So I don't know what to do. There's a lot of, I come in on the tuk-tuk from this direction. There was a lot of bars and restaurants very close by. the hotel I'm staying at is just over the fence there. So that is a very good location. Yeah, I just met some Indian people here, Brent. I think they're about the first Indian people I've met in Philippines. But yeah, they're well-educated Indian people. They're on here on holiday. But they agree with me. Most Indians go to Vietnam and Thailand and that. Now, I met these girls here tonight from the Netherlands. Now, they're going very well. They're only 20, how old are you?
23 and 22.
23 and 22. And they're going to buy their first house in the Netherlands. So we've been talking about that here tonight. And they're both
I just bought my first house. And I'm going to. This year. Hopefully.
So I just come from the hotel next door and the girls are sitting here. And it's quite a lovely spot, isn't it, girls?
Really nice, yeah.
They're staying in a hostel here. What are you paying for your hostel per night?
What did we pay? Well, you booked it, so you should know. Yeah, I want to mention it in euros, but
Oh, they're euros.
you don't know.
They're in euros, of course, because they're from Netherlands. So lovely girls. I really enjoyed talking to girls tonight. You're up. Well, I've just walked down the main street and I've been looking for just to catch up with some locals. And I found the expat bar here. Lots of Western guys over there. And a few of the lad here beat me in the first game of pool. Just had a game of pool with him and he beat me. But there's always, when you go to a bar anywhere in the world and there's a pool table, it gives you a great chance to mix in with the locals and find out a bit more. But it's night time now. It's nearly 10 o'clock at night. The beach is out there. It's just black, so you can't see anything. But this is a great little bar right on the beachfront here. Not many people for breakfast.
Yeah, they are
Where is everybody?
sleeping.
Oh, sleep. People sleeping.
Because it's called morning.
Yeah, but got to get up early. Early.
Yeah, they didn't get up, sir, because it's rainy. It's very cold. That's why.
Cold? This is not cold.
Maybe it's very cold.
You got long pants on. Now these people there, look, the big boss, who is Australian, he's gone back to Australia.
Yeah.
So they're running the business now. So that's nice. So I'll go and have a look in the sand out here now. Yeah. So it's called Infinity Sands. Right on the beachfront. Now, as you can see, it's not what we would call a beautiful beach. Okay, it's now that's where I had dinner last night. This place is fantastic though, Baha Bar Restaurant. That up there is a fantastic place. So this, the island, the Infinity Resort Hotel there feeds off of the bar because a lot of people were there last night. That's an incredibly popular place. Really one of the best places I've seen in the Philippines. Baha Bar in Siquijor. So, but yeah, we're here early in the morning, and as you can see, it's a rocky. This is rock, so you can't. It's not really a proper beach. It's a rocky outcrop. But anyway, they're fully booked tonight. Bookings are bloody very strong here. I could only get one night accommodation in there, so I've got to go to another hotel now. So that's what happens. Yeah, so that's the beach, which is not... There's a little bit of sand here, but the tide's right out at the moment. Mate, it's a nice setting, really. I can see why it would be booked out. It's, you know, it's a nice location. Right in San Juan, which is the centre area where most of the restaurants, bars and hotels are. Walkway, of course, going up. It's only 2 stories high. But the rooms are bare basic. The bed was okay, a king size bed, but bathroom, I didn't have any hot water this morning for the shower. Air conditioning was good during the night. You have your own little area here up the top. So there's one there, and this is the place where I'm staying here. So, you know, it's got a lot of good points going for it. I can see why it would be popular, why it's booked out. So yeah, this is it's a big room. You know, they have a big room. It's the bed was quite reasonable. Bathroom's very dated and everything, and I didn't have any hot water, so you know, I mean, that's you can get away with it here because it's not cold. Like, it's warm now. It's about 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, I didn't get into it late last night because of the stuff up with the ferry, catching a late ferry which was cancelled. Then another one was an hour later, and that was put back another 40 minutes, and by the time I got here it was dark. So yeah, I'll look around and find another hotel now.
Oh.
See?
Yeah, take a picture with
Hi, Michael.
See, it's nice. I just got a tuk-tuk road ride from my other hotel, which was called the Infinity Sands Hotel, and I left there, and now I've arrived at this one, which is called
Tagbilaran Resort.
Tagbilaran Resort.
Yeah.
So the tuk-tuk man dropped me here, which was nice, and the ladies here, they're very good reception. They give me a drink, and a cake. So very good. I'm very impressed. Very impressed with what I'm seeing here with these girls there. They're good service, which is nice to see.
So would you like some breakfast?
There's a little scratch here, sir. So there's a little bit of damage on the right fender and the back fender. But other than that, it's in good condition. Full tank of petrol. Yeah. Yeah, well look, I think it's better for me to hire a motorbike to get around, have a look at the island. Siquijor. To have a good look at Siquijor, I need a motorcycle, so that's good. So the man here is very good to me. Yeah, very good. Welcome to San Juan. I can never get that spelling right. And they always laugh at me when I try and say it. San Juan. Yeah. So this is the province, as it's called. So I'll take that helmet off. That's hot. So this is a nice little example of the houses here. That's a nice little example of a nice little cottage that you see on the island. I've seen some bigger ones. I've seen some bigger two-storey houses, but very few. This one here is a bit different. And there's the fire there. Chimney there. There's a chimney there for cooking. Yeah. The dog doesn't like me. They're protective, aren't they, the stray dogs? Yes, I'm just going to track all the way around Siquijor. There's a man there. Hello. You speak English?
No.
No English? Yeah? Your house? Actually, this is nice here, right under trees. There's a beautiful breeze blowing here. It gets a bit warm, but we're up high on a sort of a hill here where there's a beautiful breeze blowing. It's still warm. I reckon it's probably about 28 degrees. High humidity though. So on Siquijor Island, I've showed you how to get here by ferry. I've showed you 2 hotels including prices, and I've decided to rent a motorbike to get around this magnificent island. It's much different to Bohol, Cebu and Panglao Island, and I'm looking forward to staying here, so the next video will be from here as well, Siquijor Island. Thank you for coming along and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.